Hey bros, it's Wolfobis here back with another video. In this video we're going to look at the RAMP token, okay? So I have been seeing this token quite a while now. I have never done research on it and we are going to do it right now, okay? So I actually saw a couple of days ago that RAMP was doing some kind of thing with CeeLo, and I'm a CeeLo fanboy, and if CeeLo trusts RAMP, I'm like, this is going to be a good one. So now let's jump right into it, okay? So what is RAMP, okay? And by the way, if you want to read more about cryptocurrencies, like very in-depth knowledge that not a lot of people have, go Investopedia and just go there. Learn about master nodes, learn about full nodes. What are, like, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be very helpful in the future. Might as well do it. The more you learn, the more you earn. Okay, you can see that in my camera out there. The more you learn, the more you earn. My favorite quote by Warren Buffett, because Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are like, these guys, they're so smart and they get so much money, and the point of this whole channel is to make crazy money, baby. Let's go, okay? And I had to stop calling my viewers babies. Like, I mean, you are not baby. I mean, I need to switch it to bros, okay? But you know what I'm saying. Anyway, let's go. So RAMP, and this is that it's going to fly. It's just going to fly. It's this current moment that's going to, and I can see that it's on Binance. Excuse me. It's on Binance. It's on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Weekswap. I have never heard of that, but it seems there's a lot of volume there still. That's cool. So there's a lot of places that you can buy it, which means availability bias. If it's available, we are more likely to do it. Think about it. It's already on Binance. It has liquidity, so people can buy it easily, access it easily. It can fly very high. Okay, so unlocking liquidity capital from stake assets, tap into cross-chain liquidity and stake farming. So this is very interesting. So DeFi is definitely a wave. It's a new, it was a wave back in 2020, and I think that when DeFi comes right now, I cover DeFi projects in like the very undercover gems in my paid programs, because I don't want to say them for free, just because I have been in cryptocurrency, like I do research 24/7. It's my job, so of course, like, I'm going to do the highest deposit yields and lowest borrowing. So this basically, it reminds me of like a Yuffie, if you know that. Like that was one of the early DeFi projects back in 2020, because it was like if you don't know what Yearn Finance is, I'm going to show you quickly here. Yearn Finance is like before that, Smart Chain and Polygon. Okay, Binance Smart Chain. I think like if have you like looked at where the governments of the world have been starting to look at these exchanges, because they are unregulated. Basically, for example, they offer the if you look at them, they offer the 100x to 20x leverage, which is like, basically you can't do that on the like normal, like retail, or just basic investing tools. And they have a lot of stuff. They are very unregulated. So I think at Binance Smart Chain, in a sense, it's huge. I think that at this point, what I think is that there's not one winner. Definitely there's not one winner, because if you look at the fast food restaurants, McDonald's is the biggest one, but it only has like let's look at McDonald's. Yeah, I think it was like a 10% or something like that. So 20, okay, it was 20%, but 20% in 2018. Okay, so 20%. And you know, McDonald's is like the biggest. It's everywhere, but it has only 20%. So even though, like, if some competitor, like if Ethereum takes like 20%, so if there's incentives, people, like, you're going to do it. Okay, and my incentive to do this video is I want to help you and myself make a lot of money. Okay, that's like, if I can help you to make millions of dollars, that means that I'm going to make also millions of dollars. You know what I'm saying? So it's a very like 50-50. Okay. So anyways, and I also like to make these videos. I love to just talk and look at these videos, because we are just so early. I mean, if you learn every day about cryptocurrencies, you will have the finger on your pulse, and you will get the see these insane trends before anyone else. And that's basically what I mean. BlackRock is crazy. Oh my god. Microsoft, Blackwater Capital, Deloitte, Binance, Buybox, BNB Paribas, I don't know. So investors, So I swear, Arrington XRP capital is everywhere. Arrington XRP capital, like these guys are everywhere. I want to see this. So Arrington actually a digital asset management firm in blockchain based capital. Look how practical this website is. It's crazy. These guys are so practical. I love it. So this is going to be good. They're not going to waste time creating website. They're going to, what they use their time is to do research on cryptocurrencies. I will have to follow them. Cross-chain liquidity transfer. Send USD seamlessly between Binance Smart Chain and Polygon to access new tokens. Yeah, so users deposit assets into auto-compounding vaults for ultra high yield. Okay, 400 API. Users mint buys an RUSD stablecoin, purchase any token we are able to. So yeah, and here users boom, and user mint buys RUSD, purchase any token. So yeah, it's basically cross-chain liquidity transfer. I think this is a huge one. These are the tokens that it's very like these are praise tokens. Okay, so about ramp is deep. Ramp to do more research on this. This is very interesting to me because these guys are very smart, and if you can look at what they have invested in, ramp DeFi is here. So definitely one to look out for, ramp DeFi. Okay, and it hasn't started its crazy run yet. So it was here October. So it's basically 1 year old right now, and the volume is still 46 million. Is kind of huge, but at the same time, if you look at the rank, okay, I think that this could easily go to $5 very easily. Okay, yeah, definitely. This is very good coin. This is a good coin. Okay, so I'm going to do more research on this one. So definitely, if you want to do easy research, check out Token Metrics, link in description. They have insane algorithms. They're just crazy. I love it. You can type here any coin and just check it out. It's a trial. You can check it out, link in description, and also check out my products. These are so legit fire. Okay, these are fire. Okay, I know it. I already know it, and so does my people who are in there. They know it. It's crazy. The value is crazy for the price. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, and if you like this video, smash the like. Okay. Anyway, peace.